Hey there, welcome back to our Okie Dokie Life. This is going to be a little bit of a different video than we normally do. Something y'all probably don't know about us is something we like to do for fun is bowling. I don't know if we've mentioned it before.
I'm not sure.
This past January, he joined a league.
Yeah, league with some coworkers.
And he had been in a league in previous years, but it had been probably a decade since.
Yeah, at least a decade.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But so him and some coworkers joined a league and started bowling in January. Well, that got me wanting to bowl because I'd go and watch him, and so a few of us got together and were bowling. While he was doing league, we started just bowling in the other lanes, and we really kind of got into it. So we've actually been all bowling since January. And if you know anything about us, we go all in usually on what we're doing. We bought shoes and bought our own bowling balls and bags. Haven't bought shirts yet, but you know, that'll probably be around the corner. But we found, I think you actually.
Yeah, I was just browsing the internet one day on a couple of the bowling forums, and people were talking about this mystery ball that they ordered and you know what they were getting in it. And I was like, that's a pretty neat concept. So I looked it up and shared it with Lacey. Little did I know she was just going to hop on the train there and go ahead and order one. So,
I waited probably a month since you found it. At the very least 2 weeks.
More like 3 days.
Well, I thought it was a neat concept, so I was like, let's try it and see what it amounts to. So I went ahead and ordered it. What you do?
The concept behind it is it's $99, right? And they just send you a random high-performance bowling ball. You have no clue what you're getting. The forums that I watched or were looking through, it was real random. It's not a specific brand, not a specific type, anything like that. So it's a total surprise to whoever's getting it. So
yeah, and I was talking about how my next ball I'm gonna up the weight. This will be my third ball. My first ball, I got a 12-pound ball because I hadn't been bowling very long, and after throwing it for a bit, I decided, you know what, I think I want one a little heavier, so I ended up upgrading to a 14-pound ball with a little bit higher performance, and I love it. But now I'm like, I think I actually want to get a 15-pound. The next ball I get is going to be a 15-pound ball. And then he was talking about this mystery ball thing again, and I was like, you know what, for $100, I'm just going to see what this mystery ball is. So I went ahead and ordered a 15-pound mystery ball, and I figured worst case, if I don't like it, he might like it because he throws a 15-pound ball.
I'm hoping she doesn't like it, even though I already have 3.
And then if he doesn't like it, a couple others in our group might like it too. So we're going to see what the mystery is here. I also did order a mystery bowling shirt as well. You had the option to add a shirt, and so I went ahead and did that. When you're placing your order, you also have an option to pay an additional $10, and you can personalize your kind of mystery ball. Kind of you put in what you already have in your collection, what your goals are for learning or your techniques, and maybe kind of what you're looking at getting in the future. Not to say that they're going to send you specifically what you asked for, but they're going to kind of more tailor it towards what you're kind of already throwing, kind of, you know. Yeah. But I did not pay the extra $10. I just started with the basic just to see how it is. It could be a total flop, but who knows? I have a couple balls that I'm really wanting. Just haven't been ready to pull the trigger on it yet. Maybe one of those is in this We'll see. So we're going to open it up and see which one I got.
Well, tape's stronger than me.
I don't know that I said where we went to do this. This was on bowling. This was on bowlingworld.biz, I believe.
Tape's overpowering me again. Okay. It's your ball.
Yay! Oh, it's in another box.
Yeah, but it's a radical.
Ugh. It's USB-C approved. What do we want to look at first? The ball?
Ball. Nobody cares about the shirt. That's a cool one. I like that one.
Ooh, it's glittery. I don't know if you can. Oh, let's see. It's a Bigfoot.
Yes, the radical Bigfoot. So it automatically is mine because I got big feet. So you can't throw it.
It is heavy.
Well, it's 15.
I don't know if you can.
Yeah.
It's a Bigfoot. Has the radical on there. And
This is pretty neat because none of us throw a radical, so none of us kind of know
what the core
way it
is
rolls.
or anything.
So
you can look it up.
yeah. Which one is it? Is it the hybrid? Yeah, it's the hybrid. That's cool. I like that one in the alley.
I will say it's not one of the couple that I was really wanting, but it's neat. So he's going to look it up and see what the specs are on it.
All right, so I looked up that ball real quick because we haven't really ever looked into this one very much. We've seen it in the bowling alley in the pro shop, and it's always caught our eye just because it's kind of neat. Bigfoot. Just,
yeah.
Just in Oklahoma, we like Bigfoot.
And I tend to go towards the teal colors anyways.
Yeah. But it is a reactive cover stock, so it should actually react pretty well on the lanes. It's designed around medium to heavy oil in the lanes, and it is a kind of a continuative hook, or what I've heard some people call the banana. It kind of, if you do put a spin on it or a hook on it, it'll just kind of be a smooth ride all the way into the pocket. One of them that I throw is a motive ripcord, and it's designed with a check mark pattern where it kind of aims right at the gutter, and then it all of a sudden picks up a lot of speed going the opposite direction, hits a little harder. The continuation, or the banana style throw, is really good for reliability. So the oil on the lanes can be a little bit different, and that one can still react fairly well. Everything I've read on the ball seems to be geared around its reliability. So it's pretty good for us because none of us are reliable with any of the throws we throw. So we need the ball to do that for us. So
cool.
Cool. So I guess we'll look at the shirt real quick. Even though I said earlier nobody cares about it, I'm sure somebody might.
So I guess I lied. I said we hadn't have bought a shirt, but now we have.
So I want to see it before I show y'all. So it looks like it's an I Am Bowling World shirt. Whoop. So it's pretty. I like the red, white, and blue. Mm-hmm. Nice little bowling shirt.
Yeah. Groovy.
I know you may be wondering what bowling has anything to do with homesteading and, just preparing or anything like that. It doesn't. No, it really does. While things are nice and good, it's really great to have some sort of escape, something to go do, some kind of hobby. This is just something that we like to go do to blow off some steam. Especially with working in the business world, it's really easy to get built up with all kinds of stresses or anything else from work. Sometimes hurling a 16-pound rock down a lane at some wooden pins really just helps release that stress. So it really, there's a little bit of a mental health benefit just from it. And
you get to hang out with your friends as well.
Yeah. And yes, we probably spend way too much money on it. You can get the same benefit from just going and throwing the house equipment. But as she said earlier, we are who we are, and we tend to just kind of jump all in. So
harmless fun, something we enjoy.
Yeah.
Good, clean fun.
Yeah. So, I guess thank you for joining us in this mystery bowling ball reveal and shirt.
Yeah.
So.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.